We've been discovering that bridging comes in handy quite a lot in our subtraction lessons. So bridging, of course, is when we try and get one of the numbers in our equation to end in a 0, so that we're working with the tens pattern sort of idea, and it's just a lot easier when one of them ends in a 0. So for this sum, I could possibly change this to be an 80 by adding 4, and then I would also add 4 to this side, because in subtraction, we say that the equation numbers are friends, and what you do to one side, you do the same to the other to make sure the difference remains the same. I could also make this a 70 by actually taking away 6 and taking away 6 to that side. But just for the purposes of this sum, I'll try actually making this one a tens number. If I add 2 to it, it would bring it to 100, and I feel like 100 is an easy number to work with. So of course, if I've done that to one side, I do that to the other side of the sum, which makes 78. To get the total of this, I'll just quickly pop in the empty number line strategy as well. I like to start on the side and go backwards this way if I'm doing subtraction, and I like to start here and go forwards when I'm doing addition. However, it doesn't matter which way you go as long as you're remembering the correct direction. So from a 100, I'd take away 20 quite easily to get me to 80, sorry. And then I would just take away 2 more to get me on the 78. So, because we jumped back 20 and another one, the answer is actually 22. There were 22 jumps there. So the answers are the same.